Is it the right time to make a decision about buying or selling Meta stock? In this video, we will provide you with a detailed analysis of Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, February 9, 2024, and now we are here to dive even deeper into the topic. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Keeping up with the latest information is crucial for making informed investment decisions. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 7, 2023, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate, with a score of 3.63. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed during this time. Investors who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 43.33% since we first listed Meta as a buy candidate 44 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.98% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is in the upper part of a strong rising trend. For short-term traders, this presents a great opportunity to sell as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. If the stock breaks the top trend line at $484.51, it will indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 31.53% change ahead. The possible return falls between 10.7% and 36.14%. When considering the 12-month trend, it suggests a 74.5% change over the next year. The potential return ranges between 29.45% and 78.59%. This would mean a price range of $605.98 to $836.02 after a year. Our latest update for Meta brings you the headline, Red Day on Friday for Meta. On the last trading day, which was Friday, February 9, 2024, the Meta stock price experienced a decline of 0.402%. It went from $470 to $468.11. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 1.31%, reaching a low of $467.47 and a high of $473.59. Over this period, the price has been fluctuating up and down. However, over the last 2 weeks, there has been a gain of 18.77%. It's worth noting that the decrease in volume along with the stock price is actually a positive sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 600,000 shares. In total, approximately 18 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $8.50 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $485.96, while the lowest was $167.66. Currently, the price is 3.67% or $17.85 below the 52-week high of $485.96. It's important to note that this is also the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. Meta received an overweight grade with a hold action from KeyBank on Friday, February 2, 2024. Needham gave Meta a buy grade with a hold action on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. JMP Securities reported a market outperform grade with a hold action for Meta on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. UBS gave Meta an overweight grade with a hold action on Tuesday, January 30, 2024. Mizuho Securities reported an overweight grade with a hold action for Meta on Tuesday, January 30, 2024. Analysts highly recommend investing in Meta stock, giving it a strong buy rating. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book value as excellent buying opportunities, both receiving a strong buy rating. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as a strong buy. In this video, we will discuss the signals that have been identified for Meta stock. The stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which indicates a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, the stock may find support at the price levels of $455.94 and $386.44. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be triggered. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence the short-term development of the stock. On Friday, February 2, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a 1.45% decline so far. It is expected that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. It is worth noting that the volume of the stock fell alongside the price during the last trading day. This reduces the overall risk, as volume is expected to follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. One signal to consider is the moving average convergence divergence, which indicates a buy signal. Another signal to take note of is the pivots, which suggests a sell signal 6 days ago. Additionally, the Bollinger indicator also shows a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average reveals a buy signal 7 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 45 days ago. Now, let's zoom out and look at the 12-month chart. On the short moving average, we can observe a buy signal 44 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also shows a buy signal 72 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Meta. Meta currently has a support level at $459.41, which means that when the stock price reaches this level, it may present a buying opportunity. This is because historically, when the support level is tested, an upward reaction is typically observed. However, it's important to note that Meta is considered to be a high-risk stock due to its high volatility. This means that the stock can experience significant price movements throughout the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band predicts a large range of possible prices for this stock. Looking at the recent performance, Meta has shown a daily average volatility of 2.34% over the past week. Additionally, in the last day alone, the stock had a price range of $6.13 or 1.31% between its highest and lowest points. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Meta, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. Let's begin with the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. This P/E ratio is within the normal range, which is often observed in companies with established track records and predictable revenues. Now, moving on to the latest news. The upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 24, 2024. According to analysts' consensus estimates, the projected earnings per share for this quarter are $4.14. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at potential day trading levels for Meta. If the stock is on an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $469.59. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be a good idea to wait for the price to surpass this level before considering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this level could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock experiences a decline, the first support level is at $459.41. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Meta is a strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. We have noticed that Zuckerberg Mark, the founder of Meta, has made the 5 most recent insider trades. He bought and sold a total of 31,833 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -33.846. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased 188,376 shares and sold 382,325 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $449.97, which represents a decrease of 3.87%. This stock exhibits high daily movements, which implies a higher level of risk. The RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 78, indicating a substantial increase in risk. Additionally, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top discovered 5 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe that Meta stock presents a promising opportunity for investors. Several short-term signals, along with a positive overall trend, indicate that now may be a good time to consider buying. When examining the volatility and movements of the stock on the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to Monday, February 12th, we anticipate that Meta will open up $1.61 and begin trading at $469.72. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinion. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful experience. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.